Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two innovative products designed for convenience and efficiency in small spaces. First up is the Zinui portable washing machine, known for its large 13L capacity and foldable design, perfect for small loads like baby clothes. On the other hand, we have the Elevon Q D-Mini PWMG Y1G, which features a spin dryer and a compact design. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to washing capacity, the Zinui portable washing machine takes the lead with an impressive 13 liters, making it ideal for larger loads such as baby clothes and underwear. In contrast, the Elevon Q D-Mini PWMG Y1G offers a smaller capacity of 5.5 pounds, which may limit its usability for bigger items. This difference in capacity is crucial for users who need to wash more at once, especially in a compact living situation. In terms of features, the Zinui portable washing machine boasts a foldable design, making it easy to store when not in use. This is particularly beneficial for those with limited space. On the other hand, the Elevon Q D-Mini PWMG Y1G includes a spin dryer, which is a significant advantage for users looking to dry their clothes quickly after washing. Each product has its unique selling points that cater to different needs. When it comes to operation, the Zinui portable washing machine features a semi-automatic cleaning function with timer buttons, allowing for a more hands-on approach to washing. In contrast, the Elevon Q D-Mini PWMG Y1G operates with a rotary timer controller, which may be easier for some users to manage. Understanding how each machine operates can help you choose the one that fits your lifestyle better. In conclusion, both the Zinui portable washing machine and the Elevon Q D-Mini PWMG Y1G offer unique advantages for portable laundry solutions. The Zinui stands out with its larger capacity and foldable design, while the Elevon impresses with its spin dryer feature. Depending on your specific needs, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.